Day 2. Nag-musical na sila.
You only come out at night. I used to think I was smart.
Meanwhile,
Tell me what's true love, but wouldn't that be hard? You can't love anyone, 'cause tell me you had a heart. I try to help you out, but I know that I can't. 'Cause hard things, 'cause kind of thing I'll never understand.
andyan na yung driver. Olivia Rodrigo pa.
Starting day 2 here.
1, 2, 3.
With our little photo shoot. Pak!
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yeah!
Last. 1, 2, 3. Look up. Look up.
Hi guys! Good morning. So, for today, we are going to... I don't know where we are. Pero supposedly, mag-meet kami sa Rex KL and then we're going to conduct a little bit of research. Yeah, may assignment kami actually yesterday sa TUM. So, yeah. Looking for food.
Food chart.
Ito pala yung food. Nahanap na rin.
Food.
We are here in Chinatown, I guess. I don't know.
Kita mata ko.
Hindi.
600. How much?
How about this? How much?
How much is this?
Same.
take this one to don't sell each other.
I'm just still looking. Maybe I'll come back.
No come back. I put customer. How
I
much?
have friends.
Yeah. You take okay lah. Put customer you how much?
No, I just
Take one how much?
Yeah. Ayoko na, hindi na ako bibili. They know that I'm not from here. And they gave me such a high price.
Yeah.
She gave me like,
Wait.
that was very unfair.
Yep.
She said at first that it was 65 and then she toned it down to 45 because she maybe was making a strategy telling me that she's giving me a discount, and the moment I said okay, I'll come back later, I still have friends to go back to, and she said no, I give you 30. So I was like
30?
oh, 30. She said 30 and I was like, this girl, I swear she's lying.
Yeah.
So be careful.
What is yung assist?
I'm scared na.
You're so aggressive.
I feel like they're gonna eat me alive if I don't buy something from them. That's why I was kind of skeptical to go inside. Because I know if I get inside or try on the dress, she's probably gonna say, ah, la, 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 la. I was like,
Take it.
Nah, yeah.
No comeback, no.
Yeah, no comeback. Okay, I'll just still looking. Maybe I'll come back later. Sabi niya, no, this is very beautiful color. No, cheap. Sabi ko, I'll come back later. Still have friends to go back. Tapos sabi niya, no money, no comeback. Asan na yung bag? Kami tubig.
But all the books. Oh my god.
Ito dati itong movie theater.
Kaya pala yung
Kaya
hagdan
ito
din.
pababa din. So yun yung screen.
Kaya pala pababa din yung hagdan. Tapos transform nila ng library.
Sabihin, pwede rin sa Pilipinas.
gusto kasi pag...
Mga Art Deco Theater na.
Hometown. Uwi ka na sa hometown mo. Video natin. Jaywalk. Run, run, run! Follow the law, guys.
Follow the pro.
Follow the
Follow the pro.
Parang pag uwi ko, may dala na akong Malaysia na multo. Magpasok ko dito.
Para pag uwi mo, kausap na ako mamaya.
Parang dati siya disco, tapos ngayon, exhibition. Disco. Event area. Pwede daw ikot. So parang ito yung bago niya. Adaptive reuse.
Kinarir nila, guys.
Okay, next.
A+, very good. Very convincing. Hello! Hindi na ulit ang update kasi ang init. Sobrang init! Okay, baka ano lang. Something. Yeah.
Ba't nasa side niyo lahat? Kanina pa yan. Ay, ito cute. Oh, cute naman. Yes, nanalo din.
Ano paninig ka kasi?
Pag ako ginost mo. I know, wasak grades.
Wasak.
Pagka hindi ka nakatapos ng grade, ikaw ay success. 1, 2, and the Philippines is a burning.
Ang Malaysia, purgatorio sa impyerno na. Hindi pa kasi pangamin. Uy, left.
Uy, left kayo talaga. Left sila.
Titiwangsa tayo.
Titiwangsa. Titiwangsa? 2.7 po RM. 2.7 RM. Ito po ba yun, ma'am? Ano lang po?
Hangtwa lang tayo.
Wala.
Hoy!
Hindi, wala kasi.
San pero. Ang tingin sa kulay blue. Guys, ganito yung makukuha nyo. 1.5.
1.5?
Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero ganyan yung makukuha nyo.
MRT 3? MRT 3. Walang guard.
Init na init. Init na init. Safety doors, pero bukas. Kawawa naman ang mga batang yan.
Pagdating natin, as tourists, alam na natin. Dito ako babalik dito nang wala akong Malaysian boyfriend.
Wow! Boyfriend?
Gawin kong grab mo.
Boyfriend?
Okay lang yan. No touch.
Hot too. It's very hot too.
Sakura Festival.
35.
It's very hot too.
Bye kayo, bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Nasa kabila pa.
Yung noodles, ano din? Sarap.
Kayo ma'am, di order?
Medyo soft lang.
May chick... Ay,
Noodles, oo.
Nice. Di ba sa Singapore na? Pero parang similar yung architecture sa Singapore. Laging ganyan. Parang biophilic
Nakalawang na green.
Mas curvilinear.
Sana ma-open, sana ma-open.
How?
How?
Nandan.
Ha? Wala ko naintindihan.
Look, this. Ang init ng ulo ko sa'yo.
Ano?
Sabi mo?
Sabi ko, magigising ako ng madaling araw, gagawa ko. Kapalit kasi na makikinig ako ng chismis.
Ano? Kapag di mo ginawa?
Pag di mo ginawa,
Hindi ko ginawa. Pag nagchismis ako hanggang alas 12. Kasi hindi ako nagising ng alas 3. Sasakripisyo ko yan. Pero kapag nagawa kong gumising ng alas 3, i-delete nyo yan ah.
Oo, sige, oo. Kasa.